Most people watch videos on mute. Most people watch videos without sound. Really, without sound. Think about it. They're on a bus, at work, waiting somewhere, or simply scrolling with their phone muted. And that's where a lot of content fails, because your video might be great, your message might be valuable, your editing might be perfect. But if people don't understand what's happening in the first few seconds, they keep scrolling. Sound familiar? Many creators assume the problem is the topic, or the algorithm, or the platform. But often, the viewer simply doesn't hear you. And if there are no subtitles, they have no reason to stay. That's why captions matter so much. They make your content easier to follow, easier to understand, and easier to watch anywhere. Take a look at this. I upload a video, generate subtitles with AI. A few clicks later, the captions are ready, no typing everything manually, no wasting time editing line by line, no hours spent fixing text. Faster, simpler, and more accessible for your audience. Because not everyone listens, but almost everyone reads. At least long enough to decide whether they want to keep watching. And sometimes, that decision happens in just a few seconds, if you want to create content faster and build a simpler content system. Check out the link below. I'll show you how to create more content in less time. Link in the description.